Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can synchronize the settings of one image to a couple of images. So the first thing I do is to apply some adjustments to my image. Imagine you shot a couple of images with similar lighting and settings. You certainly don't want to edit every single image. With the synchronizing feature can speed up your editing workflow a lot. So I'm starting with adding some basic adjustments to my image, like changing the color temperature, sharpening, and adding a radial filter onto the subject to emphasize it. Let me know in the comments if you like to see an in-depth look into my full editing process. So now I'm done with my quick edit on my image, and I want to apply the adjustments to the other images as well. So what I'm going to do is right-click and choose Copy Settings. Or I just press Command-Shift and C on a Mac to copy the settings. After that, I just select the images I want the adjustments to be applied and press Command-Shift-V. Make sure you check that the Auto Sync button is activated. So this is how you quickly apply settings to multiple images. I hope this was helpful. Make sure to subscribe for more tips in the future. Thanks for watching. Catch me if I fall.